Welcome to Mudiad Meithrin's Cylch Meithrin Academy. The purpose of this cylch is to present a purpose-built environment for cylch staff, committee members, parents and students to come and learn and receive training in all aspects of running a cylch meithrin. Let's take a trip around the cylch. We've made the best use of a space above the Mudiad office in Cardiff and have set up a cylch on a very limited budget. In the next clips, we will be looking at how we have created and divided the areas of learning, what resources have chosen and suggested skills that children might learn whilst playing in these areas. The continuous provision needs to be effective and appropriate. There needs to be an exciting and happy atmosphere. The inside and the outside environment needs to offer plenty of opportunities for children to talk and listen whilst interacting with others. If it is arranged correctly, it will encourage children to make independent choices and develop skills whilst learning about things that are of interest to them. The setting should always be safe and clean. It is important to monitor the children's use of each area and to consult them about the preferred areas or why they dislike or don't use an area. The continuous provision will also offer many opportunities for focused tasks.